high simulated snow last night. So ridiculous. Feels like, well, it looks more like December than it feels like. Children, you're gonna wash this truck. Kids are making me come out and slop. Yeah, I've been working all last week. They had us covered up a lot. Imagine that. Heard all this bullshit. So, I guess Jackson Hole, Wyoming, sellout capital of Wyoming. Used to be a cool little mountain town back in the day. Their city council passed the big 5G. They're going to throw 5G over in Jackson Hole. Going to fry them vast red sheep of hunter. But, yeah, only one of the city council members voted no. Even though they had doctors testify. I'll try to remember to put a link below for Environmental Health Trust. I think that's what it's called. They had some footage of the doctors testifying there at the Jackson City Hall meeting, explaining how when he puts needles for some special procedure into his patient's leg muscles, he can hear the music from the ski resorts in it. Nobody cares. They're so brain dead. Yeah. Yeah, we want 5G. Which I don't understand. I see a lot of the local Jackson sheeple comments where, well, it's about time, we'll have good service, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's just plumb bullshit. I was working and kind of living over there for a while in the early 2000s during the winter. When was that? Shit. Was that 2004 or 3? Oh, shit. We got cows. And the cell service is just fine for being surrounded by mountains and shit. Yeah, won't even listen to the doctors tell them don't do this. So 5G is coming to Wyoming. First time I hear it coming to this area, there will be some hell raising at the local city hall. Guaranteed. First time I see anything 5G even going near my neighborhood, it's coming down. You gonna get out and put the hubs in, kid? Forget stuff again. Remember how to do that. But yeah, 5G's coming wild. Let's see, what else? Oh. This mandatory vaccine bullshit that these states are pushing, and I guess the CDC somehow magically got a law made where they can come do it, whatever. Let me tell you what, people. First time somebody, local, city, county, state, federal, UN, whatever, first time you come at me with the needle, you're getting a bullet to the head. Guaranteed. Because you're trying to kill me with your toxic bullshit, so don't ever come try and give me a vaccine. Oh shit, shit. Oh shit, shit. Hope you don't run over the couch, shit. Yeah, I will defend myself. Do not come at me with no mandatory vaccine. Guaranteed. Boom. No hesitation. And anybody there who's helping. It is slimy shit. Yeah, I have zero tolerance. Already bad enough they're spraying all this bullshit on us. So yeah, that's my thoughts on mandatory vaccines. Let's see, anything else exciting going on, man? People are becoming dumber by the day, if that's possible here in Wyoming. Phone right in their face. Jeez. Ridiculous. But yeah, air quality has been shit here in Wyoming. Shit. A lot of people claim they got colds. Well, I'm sorry, you don't have a cold. You got the Camrell infection. Cam lungs. Yeah, have a vent about some 5G and mandatory vaccines. Yeah, people, you're gonna have to stand up for yourself one of these times. They get that 5G and you better run for the hills. Run for the hills. Or tear it down. Those would be pretty easy to take out if a person needs to. I will not tolerate it. I mean, we ain't got nothing to lose. Not gonna fry my children, huh? Get up here, kid. Come be on camera, kid. What's this, kid? Anyhow. So yeah, nothing too exciting. Take the boys out for a walk. I might just head back to the old fire. It was pretty nice by the fire, kids too. But yeah. We are going to have to defend ourselves while we got the chance. I know we're right. We ran out of time a long time ago, but maybe in the big cities, but out here we still got a chance. Well, a few of us got a chance. The sheeple though. Take our guns, Trump. We don't care. You're so cool. You're doing so much with the deep state. Cute. And I can't believe all these channels still. I started unsubscribing from him. I hear the word Trump and any kind of positive thing because everything he's doing is bullshit, lies. Yeah, you're out of there. I will not support any channel, anybody who supports evil criminals. Yeah. Boy, he fooled all you ignorant people, didn't he? One of these days, it's all gonna crash down, kid. We'll get a moment to laugh. Then we'll have to get serious. All right, y'all. I was just checking in. Little vid, slight vid. Praying for all of you. Stay positive. Even when you vent, you can be positive. Be like Tony Bear, not Old Stone. Love y'all. I will talk at you later.